Hey everyone and welcome back. So today we will be discussing about how to download a free app in App Store. So let's just begin. First, you're going to be launching your App Store, and in here, while on homepage, swipe all the way to right until you see App Library. It has folders of app and search bar at the top. Tap the App Library search bar and type in App Store and select App Store results. Now, you can see once you do type in here any of the application, you are going to be clicking on search and click on this cloud download button. If you cannot see this cloud download button, it is going to be having the install button over here, and once you install it, it's going to be asking you for your ID, and that's pretty much it. You have successfully installed your application without any payment or anything. So yeah, this is really simple. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. See you in the next video.